Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be so much fun. It's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but not just an unboxing, a double unboxing. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be notified every week. I do upload videos weekly. Are you guys ready? One, two beautiful Hermes boxes. So what do you guys think are in these boxes? I can't wait to show you what's in here. Box number one, I already took the ribbon off of it. Let's just see what I got. I'm pretty sure you guys already can tell what it is. So it's in this beautiful, I guess, felt cover. And here it is. My very first Hermes Click bracelet. Enamel Click bracelet. I have always thought these were so gorgeous. I love the color. I think it's so beautiful. The reason I got two is because the first one that I ordered it in a white and gold. I ordered it in the PM size, and my wrists are small, but I like my bracelets to kind of be very bangly, I guess. It did fit me, but it wasn't as comfortable for me. Some people like their bracelets to fit tighter, but I like mine to have a lot of movement. I decided that I would send it back for the GM size. There are two sizes. Like I said, even though the PM, it did fit, I wanted it to be nice and loose. So what happened was I got the orange one in and I fell in love with it. I put it on and it felt so comfortable. I mean, I just couldn't take it off. I know that this is a piece that I will be wearing for years and years to come, all the time. So I started thinking about that white one. I thought, oh my gosh, that was so beautiful. And it's so, I guess, the most classic gold and white. And I could not help myself, you guys. Once I get started on something, it's just not good, really. But I could not get my mind off of the white and gold combination. And so I just went ahead and purchased this one. Let me get it here. There it is. Is this not gorgeous? It's so classy, so classic and stylish. And I thought, you know, I love to layer my bangles and bracelets. Look at that arm candy. Oh my gosh, I am ecstatic over these bangles. I absolutely love them. I don't regret getting both of them. I feel an obsession coming on. I am a arm candy kind of girl. So, oh my gosh. I just sit here and I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh my gosh. I mean, it just makes me have heart flutters. Seriously, you guys. I absolutely love these bangles, and if you don't have one, I highly recommend. I mean, you don't have to be crazy like me and get, you know, two at once, because they are very pricey. I thought I would do a comparison on my Tori Burch enamel bangle, because I got that one for my birthday. If you guys saw my birthday unboxing, you will remember that I did get the Tori Burch enamel bangle, and I have worn that thing like crazy. So I know that I will wear these constantly. So let's go ahead and do a little comparison between the two. I have worn my Tori Burch bangle like crazy. I got it in May for my birthday, if you guys remember. So here it is. I think it's stunning. One of the reasons that I sent back the very first Hermes bangle in the PM size was because I noticed that this one is the perfect size for me. So this one, the Tori Burch, bangle is equivalent in size to the GM size of the Hermes bangle. You know, I just love the way this one, it opens differently. You just like that. But I just love the way this one fits. It's very, let me get it to focus. It's very bangly. I'll put it on the other arm. But you can also see that the white in the Tori Burch it's more cream, I guess. Also, I think the Tori Burch is a little wider. I love my bangles to have movement. When I put them on, I just, you know, I don't want them to be tight on my wrist. Not that the first one was tight, it was just tighter than I prefer. So, you know, if you are considering the Hermes bangle and you just have an average wrist, you like your bangles to be a little more snug, not as much movement, the PM size will be fine. The look, you know, the look is similar. I think the Tori Burch bangle is just gorgeous. They come in lots of different colors, and as do the Hermes bangles. When comparing the Hermes enamel bracelet with the Tori Burch enameled bracelet, I would say, of course, the Hermes wins out, hands down. I mean, really, as far as the workmanship, as far as the quality, there really is no comparison between the two. Because if you see them in person, you can definitely spot the workmanship and the quality of the Hermes Click bangle. But also for the price point, it's $148 for the Tori Burch. It's not bad. I mean, it's a really good bangle. I feel like I'll be able to wear it for years. I don't really know about, you know, how the gold will hold up, but I've worn it for a few months now, and I can see, of course, some hairline scratches, but that's going to happen. It's even going to happen with the Hermes. But one little trick, I noticed that it comes with a little clear sticker here and on the H's. Well, I took these off, but I decided to leave these little clear stickers on, and in time they will peel off, but I'm going to leave them on there to protect the back, because that's probably the part of the bangle that will get banged around and the most wear and tear. The comparison between the two, the Hermes is just absolutely impeccable. The quality, of course, the price point it's pretty high, but you know, I definitely do think the Tori Burch, as far as the look, you can get the same look for much less. Another thing I would like to say about the Hermes bangle, they have the date that they were made and where they were made. Both of mine were made in France. The orange one was made in September of 2017, and the white one February 2018. So it also has a sticker on the inside when you get it with the serial number, where it was made, and the date. And of course the Tori Burch just has Tori Burch written on the inside. But I know that most of these are made in France, and I think they are also made in Austria, so I don't really know if there's a difference, but I have read that the ones in Austria are a bit thicker. You know, I have no idea. These are my first. A couple other things that I would like to tell you guys. I did read that on the Hermes bangle, the technique to make the Hermes Click or Click Clack bracelet is applied enamel work, meaning a solid piece is set into a metal framework. So it is actually one solid piece. And I also read that they should be slightly domed. There are many counterfeits out there. The counterfeits are more straight. Authentic enamel bracelets are domed because they were set into a metal framework. The enamel should be slightly domed on the edges. Many counterfeits use poured resin, which results in a flat enamel finish. So I'm sure if you're in New York City, maybe on Canal Street, you might run across some of those counterfeits. But that's about all I have to say about the Hermes and comparison with the Tori Burch. I love them both. Of course, I'm over the moon excited over this purchase. And they're not only, I think they would look fabulous on a man. One of my fellow YouTubers came to mind, Will McCason. I could totally see you rocking one of the Hermes Click or Click Clacks, maybe in a white with palladium or black. That would be gorgeous on you, so you should keep that in mind. I could totally see you rocking that. But I think that it is just something that I will enjoy and wear for years to come, and I absolutely love it. So that's all today. I was so excited to show you guys my Hermes bangles and do this double unboxing and also the comparison, because you can get the look for much less. But if you do love videos like this, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you guys would subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. I'll be back next week, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.